Sandra Jeffries. This is Good Food and Fun, Good, Bad, and Ugly. Today we're at Burger Hans, and we're here today to see if their food is good, bad, or ugly. This is where we're at. Alrighty then. So, if you're in the mood for a burger, we'll see if this is the place. So we'll be right back to see if it's good. Andrew Jeffries. This is Good Food and Fun, Good, Bad, and Ugly. Today we're at Hamburger House. Burger House, sorry. And I can tell you, if you saw the burger, it was huge. And I'm sorry you didn't get a chance to see me eat it because I was messy all over everywhere. But it was very good. The ambience. And we scale from 1 to 3. 1 is good, 2 is bad, 3 is ugly. They definitely get a 1. Yay! So between 1 and 10 for the ambience, give it a 10. Yay! For the excellent service, give it a 10. Yay! For the food and the all-around service and the place was, everything was on point, they get a 10. Excuse me. So, House Burger was very good. So if you like what you saw, and I know you did, hit thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until then, I'm going to get my food on. God bless.